Maybe it's not always about trying to fix something broken. Maybe I think it's about starting over and creating something better. Relationships include fights, jealousy, arguments, faith, tears, disagreements, but a real relationship fights through all that with love. Apologizing doesn't mean that you are wrong and the other person is right. It means you value your relationship more than your ego. The person who really loves you sees what a mess you can be, how moody you can get, how hard you are to handle, but still wants you in their life. God can restore what is broken and change it into something amazing. All you need is faith. To solve a problem, you have to recognize your share of responsibility. If you only blame the others, you will never solve it. If two people are meant to be together, they will eventually find their way back into each other's arms, no matter what. A man will admit his wrongs and try to fix them. A boy will find excuses and constantly blame you for why he's hurting you. It is possible for a difficult or broken relationship to be a place of health and emotion again. Demonstrate love and forgive. A strong relationship requires choosing to love each other, even in those moments when you struggle to like each other. A relationship is like a house. When light bulb burns out, you don't go and buy a new house, you fix the light bulb. A girl once told me to be careful when trying to fix a broken person, for you may cut yourself on their shattered pieces. All relationships have problems. The strength of your relationship is defined by your ability to overcome them. Healthy relationships. Let's not forget it's you and me versus the problem, not you versus me. No relationship is all sunshine, but two people can share one umbrella and survive the storm together. You have to work at relationships. You can't just walk out on them every time something goes wrong. A breakup is like a broken mirror. It is better to leave it broken than to hurt yourself trying to fix it. Try being good to each other. It just might fix the issues in your relationship. I wasn't looking for you trying to fix me. I was endlessly searching for you to love me while I fix myself. I can't promise to fix all your problems, but I can promise you won't have to face them alone. Never close your lips to those whom you have opened your heart. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below.